Yeah. Ah, yeah. We've been off and going, we've been off and Mabrika House some Greek, yeah. Wageta le DYFA Wabagari Radio Station 91.7 FM. Dan Greer get loose wall, Paini, Barang, the same by the Josh Stone, Hopkins, Uganda, Dan Greer, Ballistic, Kyle, Solbo, Lower Vallis. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. First off, I want to thank, I'm here this morning, hardly getting sleep, and I'm here to, this show is going to be a short one, and this is a public apology to Mr. Nuwani Martinez, the son of Aurelio Martinez, for, we goofed up last night at the show. We wanted him to be the main, one of the main artists. We messed up big time. Sorry, Noani. We've been communicating for the past few days, and DYFA messed up. We'll be the first one to say we did. It's not our intent. Our intention was pure. We've never done something like this at a magnitude like this, and it might seem okay, we make a big mistake and it shouldn't have happened. It seems simple too, because this is the son of Aurelio Martinez, and it's when you're doing something like this, a lot of things that go through your head. Yes, it seems disorganized, because only a few people, it was a short space of time. My wife and I, we say, let's not wait for somebody to do it. We have to do the show. We have to go ahead and do the show. And, we contacted all these artists, and 11 artists did not perform. The reason why was we had poor management of the stage. We didn't have anyone, and that is our fault again, because knowing now that we should have stage management when we have a show like that. We consulted, but we didn't do proper consultation with promoters and people who've done this stuff before. And so again, we just wanted to do it, and do it with a pure heart, do it with our best intent to put out a show in honor of Aurelio. So when you have poor management at the stage, artists seems to take a whole lot of time, not acknowledging that they have other artists coming behind them. We started release time when we were supposed to start at 6. We've been out there since 11 in the morning, setting up, tired, hardly have anything to eat. We're out there at work, thanks to the people who volunteered, some of the people who volunteered to help prepare the stage, and all these things have different fingers all over the place, like the backdrop, the candles, the pictures and the murals. We had to fly them in from Belize City last minute, because this was quick. Everything happened so fast. But Noani is us, as a man, as DYFA. I want to say I'm hurt by it. I can't sleep. I'm still in my gas from last night, and it's important that and I will entertain some comments this morning. Sorry, I'm so used to having shows in the nighttime. So Vicky Nick, I know your nephew very, very well, and again, if you know me too, it's not about. So you're saying I believe that Noani and his band were to be the first to have performed. I don't like it. Nick, if you're listening, please pay close attention to this. Yes, Noani couldn't perform first because Noani is coming from the Mapan, his band members, and he didn't want to perform. I contacted him. He didn't want to perform at that first. No. So it wasn't us that does that. But when I want to, I'm answering your question based on what you ask. No, he didn't want to perform at that time. So we started at 6 o'clock. He didn't want to. We started late as well, but they didn't want to perform first. That's. I wanted them to perform last, but they didn't want to perform last either. I wanted to give them a whole hour. They didn't want the hour. They wanted half an hour. They were prepared to come perform a whole hour. So that's why he didn't perform the time. No, he didn't perform at all because then when it comes down closer to crunch time, you have artists that are just pushing it. No, I had to deal with the cameras, deal with individuals, deal with at this time the MC already left. MC said they had to go and take out to do something tomorrow. So I had to try to do the MCing, backstage management, stage management, be on the cameras. My cameraman got tired, he had to go home. So all this, and this is what happened behind the scene with DYFA, to make it possible to bring what the people at home could see. So, and all this the time now went 12, by the time 11:45 come, the police came to me now, and the police said we gotta shut this down at 12 because that's what the permit has. We shut it down at 12. That's what we did. We was trying to beg for more time, but they had 2 bars out there, and because of the alcohol that was being served, and the permit only have until 12, and that's why the police have no fault of the police. They could have probably exercised some discretion to let us go ahead and then he could have performed. But all in all, ladies and gentlemen, it's no malintent. We took the time out, while we were planning this. People were contacting us when they said a flyer out. How can we help? What can we do? Stuff of that nature. It's very, very quick when you plan meeting, people don't show up in the meeting, things like that. So there's a lot of things. I would do it again because we love what we do here at DYFA. I would definitely do it. So let me go to some of the viewers and see what they're saying. But I'm truly sorry, Noani. We'll make it up to you. I know that you might probably perform in Hopkins. We'll try to make it out there. Because again, all these things have a cost to it, ladies and gentlemen. And out of our, out of all the extra change we have, we try to give back to our community. So it's not intentional at all. Yeah, something big will happen, something big will slip up big time, and I feel so bad about it. So I'm truly sorry for the boys and the one, especially when the one who really wanted to perform. And all these things are happening. So again, we're doing what we could do with what we have. So I want to go to the viewers real quick. Let me say good morning, Jeremiah. I believe that Noai and his man were okay. Thank you very much. Your efforts, I appreciate. I commend you for accepting your wrong and apologizing to Noai. Thank you very much. Great learning. Let's definitely need a stage manager. Yeah. Yes. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, 1 second, 1 second. I'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Just 1 second. I'll be right back. Let's listen to some Orello. I'll be right back. again, ladies and gentlemen. Again, no one hit me up, man. Call me. Call me and we'll work out something to make it up for you, to you and your family. I love you. It's out love in my heart. That's why we do this. That's why we're in business. We try to step up because, hey, we don't want to wait for nobody to do anything for us. We want to do it for ourselves, and that's why we did it. We did it because we want to do it for ourselves. It was a people concert, a people tribute to your father, and I'm truly sorry for that. Right? So let me go to the viewers for a second, and I'll have to sign off. I wrote already. Man, just call me. You got my number. Call me, man. Call me. All right. Thanks for at least putting together a strong team with news at this position. I hope it gets better and stronger. Thank you very much, early and my lady. Police shut it down at midnight because that was the current time. He also said he didn't have a stage manager and some artists took too long to perform. Yeah, thank you very much, Jerry. That's why I want you. Next time, pull in a logistical specialist and project manager to navigate the project. You can't do everything by yourself. Alcohol is not necessary for a tribute, which is a distraction. It was a school week, so the planners need to be permission of that time and date. Thank you very much, Mr. Ellis. Thank you very much. We will take it into consideration. Hopefully it doesn't happen next time. But we will still do personal work, we'll still do people work. Annette Lewis, each artist should have one song or well recorded. Just my 2 cents. However, DYFA Garifuna Wabagari for the effort are appreciated. Thank you. Good morning, DYFA. What happened? Why did the concert end quickly? We only have time. We wanted from 6 to 12, and we take into consideration school, take into consideration work. So we started 3 hours late. So we're all the way back, right? So apologies goes out to also to Heidi, Arzu, my good friend, Agua was there to perform, Gunstar was there to perform, Hubie was supposed to perform. In my head I can't remember, but because I'm focused on Nwani right now, and I'm not saying the other artists was good. They're very, very good. But there's a series of artists that didn't perform last time. 11 artists didn't perform last time. 11 artists didn't perform last time. Okay, so let me go back to. Yeah, it's a great learning lesson, Crabflow. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is a great learning lesson. And with the logistic, Fidelis, with the logistic thing now, everything happens so fast. And you see, we always have referees after the game. When you see the flyer, we got people that do call and say, let me help, and they help behind the scenes, they give us advice, because we didn't do it ourselves. We did have like Chico Ramos helped out, Vida helped out, we had Uruguay Cyril helped out, all these people helped out, what's his name, Cayetano, Sabot helped out. We have people that was giving advice, we were using the advice, but the thing that we're missing that we need to work on next time, that's what we'll definitely do. Nwani again, man, hit me up. Watching from New York City, never slept New York. Yes, you are right. Some artists are taking up time, depriving others from performing and making it show for themselves. And that's true. That was, that was also true, ladies and gentlemen. We and that's because we didn't have any stage manager, because if there was a stage manager there, then the stage manager would have, maybe lower or shut down a speaker or mic or something and have them come off the stage. But it was a stage. It's ultimately that we responsibility. We did that. We made that error, and I want to again from my back till again and till at home and lo Nwani we said na lune we heard one of the name. This was and my wife was pissed off about it too, because she's a Martinez, and she really wanted to honor her family member. And again, man, I don't know if I don't know, I don't know where else to do it, but I want to make it up in no matter you call the shots. It's in your but it's in your hands. You just say it, and we will try to make the best to make amends with you and the ball with the boys. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for your time this morning, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I apologize to the one in Martinez and the ball with the boys, man. You guys, I know, I feel it. All right, I feel it. Okay, morning, everybody. Have a blessed morning. Stay up. Are you going to do him? Are you?
Mama,